But and when you're talking about specific future examinations, this has been a really hot topic as of late because of the recent change in law of the PACT Act. So with that recent change in law of the PACT Act, there have been a lot of different cancers and things have come up where veterans are unfortunately receiving future examinations. Okay. So with that being said, if you are service connected for a disability, okay, however, being service connected for that disability, you're 55 years of age or older, no future exam is never supposed to be input on that condition. Okay. And again, what it states is, particularly if you don't have a likelihood of improvement of a condition, well, if you don't have a likelihood of improvement of a condition, no future exam should be implemented in that service connected disability. Okay, so let me paint out the picture and explain. So if you are have a condition, let's say a right shoulder condition. All right. With this shoulder condition, obviously it was injured while in service. Okay. With an injury while in service, this has been bothering you so on for many years on there, and then continuously have chronic pain and have injuries of that nature and other injuries stemming from that. But with that injury itself, most VA adjudicators will not implement a future examination. However, if an examiner states that there is possibility or room for improvement, an adjudicator can then place in a future exam on that condition. Okay, on that condition. This this really grinds my gears because when you're constantly having to be bogged down with this anxiety of going to the VA to specifically be reconsidered for a condition, it is a very stressful process because most veterans utilize these benefits to take care of their family. Okay, so with that, if you're going to the VA constantly for future exams, that's something that we want to make sure that again, if it doesn't need to happen, we want to remove it. So